All right, welcome to this OLSP Megalink system review. Okay, so as you can see, we have been making more money, right? Now look at how much we have gotten to right now. $9,076. Can you see that the money is going up? And I always say this: if I can do it, you can do it also. Even today, we have already gotten 3 sales. And you can see the 3 sales and you can see the commissions here. So look, if you are an affiliate marketer and you have been looking for a program that will actually make you money, consistent income online, I want you to consider the OLSP system, because you can see I've been doing this training for some days, and you can see that I've been getting sales over and over and over again, and I've been making money just doing that. So this is amazing. Now let me show you more of the commissions. Okay, let's see the commissions. Now look at the dates. Can you see the dates? This is today. 3 sales today, and look at the other days and look at them. So you can see that we've been getting a lot of sales with this system, and this is powerful. Can you see all the sales and see the way the money has been coming in? So this is amazing. So you can see that right now I'm already at $9,076 already, right? And look at the balance, $463. This is amazing. I'm telling you. I'm really telling you. So let's quickly go to the dashboard. So so this is the OLSP dashboard. So when you join the OLSP system, you are going to get what is called your Megalink. And look, how much is it? Just $7. I'm not kidding you. All this for just $7. And then all you need to do is to share your link with the world, and then you will start earning those commissions over and over and over again. It's powerful. And let me tell you another thing: this system pays you consistently. Let me show you some of the commission that I have been paid straight to my Wise bank account. Now look at this. Now look at that. Can you see that commission? This commission came from Wayne Crow Limited. Okay, Wayne Crow Limited are the owners of the OLSP system. Okay, so that's how you get paid. So as you can see, I received a commission of $679 straight to my Wise account from the OLSP system. Can you see that? This is a $7 system, and you can see how much I have made. I have been paid. Imagine making over $679 from a $7 system. That's why I say this program is perfect for brand new beginners and even for experienced marketers, because all you have to do is to share your link, and then every other thing is done for you. But this is not the only commission that I have received from this system. Let me show you another one. Look at this commission that I received from the Wayne Crow Limited. $1,508. How do you like that? Is that not a very good amount of money to earn from a $7 system? I'm telling you, this is amazing. Just investing $7 can make you as much as $1,508. But that is not all. Let me show you another commission. Look at this. This is a payment of $1,004 paid to me by the Wayne Crow Limited. Guys, it's amazing. But let me show you more. Look at this. This is a $642 commission paid to me by the Wayne Crow Limited. How do you like that? Isn't this getting more and more exciting? But let's move on. Look at another one. Whoa, this is a $2,000 commission paid to me from the Wayne Crow Limited, guys. So you can see that once you make this money, you are going to be paid, and paid consistently. Let me show you another one. Look at this. This is a $313 commission paid to me from the Wayne Crow Limited, guys. Awesome. But let me show you another one. Look at this. This is a $679 commission paid to me from the Wayne Crow Limited. Let me show you another one. Look at this. This is a $1,000 commission paid to me from the Wayne Crow Limited, guys. So you see, I'm just showing you this to let you see that this system works very well, and if you decide to promote this system, you will be able to make a lot of money online. All right, so now the question you'll be asking me, Victor, what is this OLSP system? All right, so let's go to my notes. Yeah, just like you can see, the OLSP $7 Megalink system is an online training program, okay, for online marketers like you and me. So now this program trains you. When you join this program, you will learn how to start an online business, how to promote the online business, and how to get customers. You will also learn how to grow your online business and make money online. This is amazing. So that is what you want, okay? You want a system that teaches you everything you need to know. And how much does it cost you to learn all these things? Just $7. $7, one-time payment, and you will get your hand on the OLSP Megalink system. It's so amazing. Now, the OLSP Megalink system is a done-for-you marketing system. So what does that mean? That means that all you need to do is to share your link. And once you share your link, the system takes over. It does all the follow-up for you. It follows by email. Follow-up is done for you by email, by webinars, different training videos, reels. So many things are done for you. And then whenever they close a sale for you, you make the money. So you don't have to do any recruiting, any selling. No, all those are done for you by the system. The only work you need to do is to share your link, all right? So that is powerful. So with the Megalink, you only share one link, but you will be able to earn commissions from over 7 different income streams. How do you like that? By you just sharing one link, you will be able to earn commissions from over 7 different income streams, and you will also be able to earn 100% commissions. Look at that, 100% commission. That means if you promote this system right now and you make one sale, you would have made your money back, because you are going to get 100% commission right back. So that is powerful, really, really, really powerful, guys. Now some of you will be asking, Victor, but how can I now make thousands of dollars? Now, for you to make thousands of dollars with this system, especially for those of you that are experienced marketers, what you need to do is to upgrade. So you want to upgrade to the OLSP Team Builders High Ticket System. so that you can earn high ticket commissions. So can you see me here? You can see that I am a team builder, and you can see that I have been earning high ticket commissions. Can you see that? So now let me tell you some of the advantages of becoming a team builder just like me, okay? Now the first advantage, one, you will be able to earn 200% commissions in front-end sales. So this is the upgrade to the Megalink. All right. So now with the Megalink, you will earn 100% commission. But when you upgrade to team builders, you will now be able to earn 200% commissions in the front end sale. But that is not all. You will also be able to earn 200% second tier commissions in front end sale. Now, what does that mean? That means that everybody you invite into the system, when they start building their business and they start making sales, you will earn 200% commission on their effort. But that is not all. You will also earn unlimited second tier commissions on all products that those people you invite into the system sell. So that is what we call freedom. So with that, you will get time freedom, location freedom, and even financial freedom. So this is powerful, but that is not all. As a team builder, you will be able to earn unlimited high ticket commissions of $500 to $2,600 per sale, guys. This is powerful. Very, very powerful. So you can see why I highly recommend that when you join the OLSP system, that you immediately upgrade to the team builder level. Okay, now if you are ready right now and you want to join the OLSP $7 Megalink system, all you have to do is this: go below this video you are watching right now, just like this. Okay, now once you come below the video, go to the first link that says step 1, join the OLSP $7 system. So go ahead, click that first link. Awesome. Now, once you click the first link, that will now bring you to this capture page website. Okay. Now, all you have to do, very simple, enter your first name here and enter your best email address here. So let me show you. So just enter your first name here like this, and then your best email address, enter it there. Then you see the yellow button that says give me the $7 system now. Go ahead, click that yellow button. Awesome. So that will now bring you to the OLSP website. Okay, now once you get to this site, all you have to do, come to this orange button. Okay, so you just come below the video to this orange button that says click here to get instant access. Okay, and how much is this system? Can you see that? Just $7. Just $7 one time. That's all you need to pay. So all you need to do, click this orange button, pay your $7, and then your own system, just like mine, will be created just like this. How do you like that? Awesome, isn't it? Amazing. So now the only thing you need to do, you now by you paying $7, you will get your Megalink, which is this link. So you just need to click this link, copy it. You see that? Successfully copied. And then you can share this link all over the internet. All right. So let's talk about how do you promote the OLSP Megalink system. Okay. So this is very simple. So all you need to do, You want to generate as much traffic as you can, and you just send all those traffic to the OLSP system, okay? And then the system takes over. It does all the email follow-up for you. It does all the training, the webinars, the videos. It does everything for you and closes the sale for you. And all you are going to do, you are going to be earning unlimited commissions from $7 to even $2,600 per sale. That's powerful, right? So how do you share your link? Now let's come here. So you can use different method to share your link. So you can use free method or paid method. Now for free method, you can share your link on your Facebook account. You can share your link on Facebook groups, Facebook Marketplace, Facebook Reels, YouTube, TikTok, Twitter, Instagram, on SafeList, Classify Ad, Threads, Pinterest. All these places, these are places you can go and share your link for free. It's powerful, right? Now, if you decide to use paid method, so you can use solo ad, or you can use my lead gen secret, guys. So this is powerful. So I hope you can see how simple it is to be part of the OLSP system. Now, if you decide to join my team in the OLSP system, I have some free bonuses that I'm going to give you, okay? Now, I call those bonuses the Victor free bonuses. Now, what are those bonuses? There are 9 of them, and you can get your hand on these bonuses for free, okay? So the first bonus are 1,300 email swipes. So you can use that to send out as many emails as you want. And let me tell you something. That first bonus is worth much more than the $7 that you are going to pay for your Megalink, okay? Now, the second bonus are classify ad headlines. So if you want to promote on classify ad site, you need those headlines. And then you have classify ad body, okay? The fourth bonus are 200 pre-written ads. So all these advertisements have been written for you. You just go and post them and generate traffic and make money. So the fifth bonus are 50 pre-made images, guys. 50 pre-made images that you can post on Facebook, you can post on Instagram. Let me show you some of those images. Now look at this image. How do you like it? So, and you are going to get this image from me free of charge. Let me show you another image. Look at that. Look at this. Can you see all these images? You can just post them on Facebook, on Instagram, and use them to, drive a lot of traffic to your Megalink and start making those 100% commissions or 200% commission, depending on the level that you are. Awesome, guys. So this is amazing. So if you want to get my bonuses, you want to join the OLSP Megalink through my link, go below this video and click. So guys, that is it. So if you have any question, just leave it in the comment section. I respond to all questions. And if you like this video, click the like button. Also click the share button. But don't forget, make sure you subscribe to this channel so that you can see my progress as I show you what I do with this system. So with that, I'm done for today. I will see you again. Take care. Bye.